Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome back to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about subtracting polynomial. So, let's proceed to our video tutorial on how to subtract polynomials. Alright, so let's subtract polynomials. So in subtracting polynomials, first thing that we need to do is to distribute the negative sign to each term to our second group. And then, we combine like terms. Now, let's proceed to this example. We have x raised to 4 minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 5 minus the group of polynomial 2x cubed plus 7x squared minus 10. So we will perform subtraction. Okay, so our first step is to apply the distributive property or distribute the negative sign to each term. So negative times positive, that will be negative, and negative times negative is positive. So let's apply the distributive property, and our second polynomial will become negative 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 10. Alright, now after applying the distributive property or after distributing our negative sign, we will proceed to combining like terms. So we're going to list down our polynomial and align every common terms. So let's start first with our first polynomial. Our first polynomial is x raised to 4 minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 5. Notice that we have a missing variable here between x raised to 4 and x raised to 2, and that is x raised to 3. So when writing this first polynomial, we will have a space for x raised to 3. So we have x raised to 4, leave a space here for x raised to 3, minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 5. Notice that again, we don't have x raised to 3, so we will fill in the gap with an invisible x raised to 3. And the coefficient of our x raised to 3 will be 0. So we will just add 0 x raised to 3 to fill in the gap, so that when we align or combine like terms, we will know where to place the variable with x raised to 3. Next, let's write our second polynomial. Our second polynomial is negative 2x cubed. So we will align it with 0x cubed. So negative 2x cubed will be placed under 0x raised to 3 because they are like terms. They have the same variable and same exponent. Next, we have negative 7x squared. We will place it here. Negative 7x squared. So we will align it with negative 3x squared because they have the same term. And we have positive 10. So we will place positive 10 and align it with negative 5 because they are the same term. They are both the constant of our polynomial. Now, let's proceed to combining like terms. Like I said, when we say combining like terms, we will perform the operation addition. Okay, so we will add our common terms. So let's start first with x raised to 4. So since x raised to 4 doesn't have any partner, we will just bring down x raised to 4. Okay, then we have 0 x raised to 3 plus negative 2x cubed. 0 plus negative 2, that will be negative 2. Then copy the common variable and their exponent. So negative 2x cubed. Okay, next, negative 3x squared plus negative 7x squared. So since they have the same sign, copy the sign and then add 3 plus 7, that will be 10. Then copy the variable and its exponent. So we have negative 10x raised to 2. Next, let's proceed to positive 6x. Since positive 6x doesn't have any partner, we will just bring down positive 6x. So plus 6x. Okay. Then last one, we have negative 5 plus positive 10. So since they have different sign, copy the sign of the larger number, positive, And then subtract 10 minus 5, that will be 5. The difference between these two polynomials is x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 10x squared plus 6x plus 5. And that will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.